Whoa, Mr. Bus Driver, what are you doing?
No, getting ready to install the world's ugliest ceiling fan.
What's that? This one?
Down there.
Oh, this one.
That's the one you want.
Jeez, what ugly ceiling fan. With all the fake gold on it. Are you sure it's gonna support it?
Nope. Hopefully it falls to the ground.
Yeah, that is a heavy fan. It has a longer arm on it, so that might, it's gonna be down quite some ways. And it's pretty dusty. Ew. Oh, look at that. Hangs down quite a ways.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Yeah, so ugly. Okay, so we got it all hooked up. Let's see what the lights. Up there. Down there. Full. That's cool. And then it's got the fan speeds. Let's do low first, because I don't know how bad it's gonna wobble. Let's do medium. Let's just see.
One blade's up. You see it?
Yeah.
Little wobble.
Well, I think because that blade's up. Yeah, it's bent. See? That's probably why. Should I try high? That'd be hilarious. This is gonna be great. Get out of the way. Well, that's not bad. I think just because that blade's a little off, but that's not bad.
What an ugly ass fan.
I think it's blown upwards, yeah. That's funny. Yeah, it is kind of ugly, I won't lie. I don't know who'd want this, but I'm sure it cost a fortune. I'm sure it was in like a mansion's dining room or something. That's cool though, I didn't realize it had. So your up lights, down lights, and full. That's cool. I'll try and fix the wobbliness real quick. 1, 2, off. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, well I tried to fix it, so let's try it. I think it's even worse now. Yeah, it's a little worse, I think. I don't know. One of the brackets were just a little bent up because it fell out of our wagon. We were hauling it around. Oh, it fixed it a little bit. See, not really any wobble. Just small wobble. Alright, well, this is the world's ugliest fan ever, I won't lie. Like, I don't know who would want this, but, well, here it is. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and why don't you let me know if you've ever seen a fan like this. Okay, so I was just about to end the video, but you guys have to see this. So, we go up, we full speed it. This might take a little while. Not too long. Okay, nearly there. Alright, so it's at full speed, right? You go switch it off, and it, like, the thing twists. Ready? Oops, that's the light, my bad. Fan. Oh god, that's creepy. And then when you go to turn it back on, the thing twists. This thing's so screwed up. It's creepy. So apparently there was an extra high to it. And I just found this out after playing with the controls. Like, that's scary to go underneath. Like, that's so scary. If only like you were here in like real life. See, do you guys hear it now? It's like whipping the wind around. That's creepy. Very. Well, comment down below who wants this fan. No, I'm just kidding. It'll take down someone's ceiling. That's how heavy it is. So, yeah. We're only going to have this up for about a week or so. But, like, it's bad. It's, like, hideous. Okay, I should just say that. It's hideous. It's horrible. Worst fan ever. But it's moving air around, so that's cool. You could do just like the top light. That's actually really cool about it. That's what I like about it. You could do different lights on it. But other than that, it's just hideous. That's all. And like the thing weighs, I don't know, 75 pounds maybe? I don't know, it's heavy. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.